guys, what is up? RedPandaMining here. How you guys all doing? I hope you're all doing really well and having a really great day. In this video, I'm going to be testing out the TeamRedMiner version 0.6.0. Apparently, they have just released it with a update to having ETHHASH, meaning you can mine Ethereum or Ethereum Classic or any other ETHHASH algorithm on TeamRedMiner now. And normally TeamRedMiner used to be all Kryptonite and, you know, Ravencoin, X16R, Cockatoo algorithms, but they just released a update, so now that you can mine Ethereum on TeamRedMiner. This is a kind of exciting. So I'm gonna test it out. As you guys can see right now, you guys are probably looking at my grow tent, and we're gonna test it out on one of my AMD rigs. Okay, so it's a 6x RX 580 rig. And we're going to test it out on TeamRedMiner here. So I am on their GitHub, and sorry for the inline fan noise, I have it on at the moment. I just want to test out in this video to see how annoying that inline fan is in the grow tent. So I'm sure you guys can hear it right now through my mic, so this will be a good test. Okay, anyways, TeamRedMiner version 0.6.0, and I want to thank one of my mods named Jim, who told me about this, and they actually just released this, let's see here, I'm making this video 3 days ago, okay? 3 days ago, and they released the update to that you can mine ETHHASH right here, ETHHASH on Polaris GPUs, and the fee is 0.75%, and it says ETHHASH on all other GPUs is 1%, okay? So what they mean by Polaris GPUs are basically RX 470s, 580s, 570s, and 480s. Yeah, all those GPUs. And you guys may be wondering about the fee structure, and it is pretty competitive, I guess, because I have all the other miners up. Phoenix Miner, okay, I know a lot of you guys use Phoenix Miner, and they have their fee at 1%. Okay. And then Claymore is also 1%, I believe. Yeah, Claymore Miner version 15 is 1%. And Gminer, I did make a video regarding Gminer that they just released a version, I believe 1.78, that has ETHHASH as well. So it's interesting to see, and sorry, their fee is 0.65. Okay, so at the moment, I believe Gminer has the lowest ETHHASH fee, but whether that is indicative of whether or not that these miners or this miner is better than another miner, I am not sure. I do not have I'm actually planning on making a bunch of test rigs that have the exact same configurations. So I'm planning on doing that. So I will let you guys know on my testing in the future. But yeah, TeamRedMiner. So I'm very curious about this, and I want to try it. Okay. So currently, I'm just going to close this. Currently, I have Claymore version 15 running on my rig here. That's in the grow tent here. And you guys can see roughly on Claymore Miner version 15, I'm getting 178 megahash. So, like I said before, I have 6 580s in here. Just let me open up Overdrive End Tool. Okay, so you can see here, I have 6 580s, but 5 of them are 4 gig models, and 1 of them are the 8 gig models with Samsung memory. And the rest of them basically have Elpida or Hynix memory. I forgot which ones. And yeah, you guys may notice my hash rates are not really that great. I'm getting 33 megahash on my Samsung 580 8GB, which is the Red Devil. So that card's amazing. But the rest of the cards here, my RX 580 4GB ones, which are the MSI Gaming X's, I can only get them to like 29, 30 megahash at sometimes. So these cards, I'm really having a hard time just getting them up to speed. But anyways, so we're gonna close this, and we're gonna test out TeamRedMiner here. So I already have it downloaded here, TeamRedMiner version 0.6.0, and you guys can see inside here they have a bunch of bat files, and they got C31. Kryptonite R, ETHHASH, which is the one we're going to test, MTP, Phi2, Turtle, X16R, and yeah, that's it, X16R V2. Okay, so we're going to try out ETHHASH here. Let's open it up right away. I'm not gonna change anything in the batch file. let's just let's open up the batch file, see what it looks like. Okay, so it's got the regular, you know, set GPU underscore max underscore allocation underscore percent 100. These are normal, I think, for a lot of the other batch files. But, and then at the bottom, okay, it's pretty much similar to other batch files in other miners. They have the Stratum pool server, and basically your ETHHASH address, Ethereum or Ethereum classic address, and then .worker, and then password. So pretty standard, nothing special here. One thing to note is that TeamRedMiner doesn't have the dash straps, okay? So it's not like Claymore where, you know, you can do the straps and get the theoretical good hash rates. So I'm curious, TeamRedMiner, I don't have, most of my cards are not BIOS modded. So here we are, we're getting 14 mega hash, okay, average. Let's just see what's going on here. I think, oh, there we go, 27.84 mega hash. 20 mega hash, 159 mega hash total for the whole rig. Okay. Tuning complete. Oh, okay, so it was tuning. TeamRedMiner was tuning. And let's see here. Yeah, okay, so it looks like it completed tuning all of the GPUs. So maybe the hash rate will be a little bit better. Let's just see here. Let's see. 27, 27, 28, 28. 20. I'm getting 20 mega hash on one of the cards, which is really strange. Okay, so I'm roughly getting about 160 mega hash. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys something. I have a message here from one of my mods who talked to the TeamRedMiner developers, and they said here, okay, this is from Kearney666. He says, Polaris GPUs are really tough to improve much. Most often we're a little bit faster than other miners, but it won't show in the displayed hash rates since other closed source miners fake their hash rates with an added 1.5 to 2.5%. Okay, I want to reiterate here, the other closed source miners fake their hash rates. Okay, what they mean by that, okay, what the developer of TeamRedMiner, I'm not sure if there's multiple developers, but this is one of the developers, he said closed source miners fake their hash rates. So what he means by that is Claymore Miner. They don't have a GitHub where you can look at the source code, so we don't know if Claymore Miner, could be faking the hash rates, could be. I believe Gminer doesn't have a GitHub as well. No, Gminer has a GitHub, so that's open source. And Phoenix Miner has a GitHub as well, so that's open source, not closed source. So the only closed source one that I know is Claymore Miner. Okay, so I'm gonna keep reading on here. With a long enough runtime or enough rigs, you will see it poolside though. You will also see how our reported and accepted hash rates poolside always are much closer since we don't add any bloat. Alright, so that must be a kick to Claymore Miner. Next message here, Kearney666. For 8 gigabytes, we typically add a little more as long as you run in the B- mode. Oh, interesting. The miner will choose it automatically for your 8 gigabytes. You don't have to do anything. This is what the devs told me. So this is from my Discord mod who talked to the one of the TeamRedMiners. Okay, so pretty interesting information here that possibly closed source miners could be adding that extra bloat. Okay, that extra fake 1.5 to 2.5% hash rate. Pretty interesting. Pretty interesting. Claymore Miner. Is that why I've been using Claymore Miner for the past year, because they've been faking out the hash rates? But as you guys can see, I'm getting 28 mega hash on most of my cards, most of my RX 580s, and for TeamRedMiner, possibly for saying this, that they're other closed source miners could be faking the 1.5 to 2.5% hash rate, then in my thinking right now, is TeamRedMiner the same getting the same share rate on the pool side? So that I would love to test. I'm thinking of trying to build the same rigs, do some testing, and maybe get to the bottom of this and compare all of these Ethereum miners, Phoenix Miner, Claymore Miner, G Miner, TeamRedMiner. All of these now support ETHHASH, which is pretty funny because, you know, I guess ETHHASH is tied to Ethereum and Ethereum Classic, and Ethereum, you know, top 2 in the market cap, pretty popular miner, so coin. So I can see, you know, a lot of development behind it. And anyways, I would love to know what you guys think. Let me know all that good stuff down in the comments. Please smash the like button, and if there's any further testing you guys would like me to do, please let me know down in the comments down below. So please guys, smash the like button, all that good stuff. Let me know if you can hear my inline fan on my grow tent right now. I'm gonna have an update on the grow tent real soon for you guys regarding temperatures and all that good stuff, but it's working right now. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good one, and peace out.